EnginE works with Lancashire manufacturing small and medium-sized businesses to try and help them to address some of the workforce challenges that they have. Usually what we find is that training and development's hard to afford, they haven't fully embraced the new apprenticeship regime and what that can do for them. And what we're trying to do with EnginE is provide tasters of new types of training and development to open their eyes to what is available for their workforce and then try and progress those individuals onto the higher level skills that we know will benefit their productivity.
Through training needs analysis with organisations, we've identified where their particular needs are or where those particular skills gaps and gone away and produce bespoke provision to address that. It gives a fantastic opportunity to take part in study programmes that are going to enhance the skill set of your workforce, initially with the masterclasses, without a huge time commitment.
Typically half-day events. They'll start off with a networking and a breakfast, so a chance for everyone to get to know each other. They are presenting different case studies, different practical examples to work through, group discussions, and like I say, peer-to-peer learning is definitely another element of them as well.
And they span the full range of what that manufacturing company might be working on. So whether that is the technical topics that you might expect around those manufacturing businesses, like engineering competencies, perhaps operations management, project management, or it could be that they're things like marketing and social media, which still need to be embraced by the company in terms of selling their own product, and also things like finance, human resources, and anything that might be, you know, the full range of what that business might do.
So the EnginE Process Improvement Masterclass was fantastic. Two groups of equally inspired folks from different companies were involved. The experts who facilitated the session really challenged the way that we were thinking about the processes that needed improvement. In fact, the whole way that process improvement starts, develops, grows and nurtures other people around the company.
We offer some taster modules which are completely free of charge. If that works for you, then you can come onto the apprenticeship programme and you've already then got some credits from your free module towards the apprenticeship full award.
So EnginE internships are a brilliant way for Lancashire manufacturing SMEs to try out new higher level skills within their business. So we have access to pools of undergraduates, graduates and postgraduates who all have skills that can be transferred straight into that business.
We got involved in EnginE because it's a funded service that allows us to actually engage the services of a young graduate. Our core competencies are basically dealing with the manufacture of lenses. We needed a new skill set in terms of social media marketing, and EnginE allowed us to actually engage those services through a funded means. I would 100% recommend an intern and also engage in the EnginE project. What you're getting from an intern is a young, credible, knowledgeable and resourceful person that not only wants to succeed for themselves but definitely wants to actually make sure that the business succeeds as well.
In terms of what EnginE's helped us with, we're now looking at degree apprentice routes. We're looking at different options with Lancaster University Management School to engage them in other areas that we'd like to see growth in a far quicker way.
So companies should get in touch with us at the EnginE project and start that conversation, and it is a conversation with us about what they're looking for in terms of additional skills within the business.